Alrighty guys, what's going on? Welcome to Dub Saw Shop. As you can see, sporting a brand new hoodie. Yep, she's comfortable, it's nice, it's got my name on it, and it's just freaking awesome. So today, we got this Poulan 5000 plus cylinder, and this one, the spark plug threads are stripped out of it. And the spark plug just kind of sets down in there and pulls right out. So that's no bueno. So I hopped on Amazon and ordered a M14 by 1.25 thread repair kit, and it came with the little reamer, tap, whatever the thing is, but it tells you to not use it as a tap. But then it tells you to use it to enlarge and tap the hole. So who the crap knows? But anyway, today we're going to be taking these things. Anyway, these came with two different sizes of inserts, and they're too big. They're too long for the spark plug, and it'll sit too far down inside the cylinder. So I stopped by O'Reilly Auto Parts, and this kit is a Performance Tool W83164. It came with 5 or 4 inserts, and the smallest one is the one that we got to go with. And it came with a little reamer tapper also. So, I'm going to set this thing up in the vise. And we're going to go ahead and see if we can tap the spark plug and save this cylinder. Directions say, turn with a wrench or socket. This is not to be used as a tap. Instructions. Turn with a wrench or socket, not to be used as a tap. Instructions. This unit will re-tap and enlarge the spark plug holes to accommodate the inserts. Is it a tap? Or is it not a damn tap? I don't think anybody knows. But if you wanted to drill out for, I guess one of these, it will be like a 9/16 hole. Definitely, I want to say it was like a 12.7, 12.8 millimeter drill bit. But I'm just gonna kind of wing this thing, and we're gonna send it in and hope for the best. See if it actually works. I'm kind of pushing down on it and turning it at the same time. It feels like it's eating. It looks like it's eating, but not 100% sure. We're just gonna keep driving and see what happens. Yeah, it is not doing anything. I don't know if you can see it or not there, but it's just kind of eating the threads away. This is just not going down far enough to engage in the threads. So, just like when you're tapping something else, let's try tapping this in. Let's make sure it's kind of straight. These socket sets come from Tractor Supply. They're great. Go from 7/16 all the way up to 1 1/4 inch. Alright, 13/16. And it appears it's going to be metric, but I can make that work. Alright. Let's get us a little oil on there. I got XP Extra, Tap Magic. Great stuff. Great stuff. Now let's see what we can do. I don't think so. Alright. Let's see what this other one does now. Wow. That is stupid hard. Alright. It's definitely cutting threads now. My setup just is not rigid enough, I don't guess. So let's try this. I think we're going. It is so hard though. Holy cow. I think we made it through. Woo! All right. Not fun. But I guess if it'll save a cylinder, it'll save one. Alright, let's bring this dude out. Came with the performance tool. This one, the threads just isn't, it was almost catching. I'm thinking this was the one with the performance tool kit. Okay. Moment of truth. Threads look okay. Not the best. Focus. Not the worst. Get our Permatex red Loctite. Okay. That looks like a good Gobbins. It just feels very, very loose. Very loose. Nope. I don't guess the thread was right on it. Kiss my ass. It seems perfect though. What the hell is the problem? Huh. I guess I'm gonna go with this other longer one maybe. Let's try it. Maybe just hand tied it. I guess I'm gonna leave that there to sit up. The plug isn't all the way in, which is no problem. That's fine. It'll still fire right there and it'll still work. We'll have to cut the chamber to raise the compression up to make up for the gap there, but I think we'll be okay. Something is still a bit wonky with that thread, I think, personally. But we'll leave it for now. We'll see how she does. And I think we're going to go ahead and get started on putting this 441 back together. So, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think this thing will last. I have my doubts, but we'll try it. It may not be a race cylinder. It'll probably just be a decent work cylinder, and probably don't want to go with a whole lot of compression to keep that thing together. But I think it'll be okay. So, you guys have a great upcoming weekend. Let me know if you've ever done this before in the comments below. Let me know how it turned out. Let me know what brand you used. I know probably... What is that name brand one? Helicoil maybe? Helicoil probably be the best. But hey, it happens. You guys have a good one. Look forward to what we got coming up this weekend. Dubs, we out.